Hi, everyone, and happy Friday. My name is Trevor Cohen. I'm here with CTO of Clear Process Solutions, Justin Barr, a colleague of mine. I want to introduce everyone to a new video segment we're doing called CTO Coffee Chats, where every week or so, we're going to dive into some topics in the digital and technology space and share stories and information and things that we come across in our day-to-day jobs. We're hoping to keep these segments short and sweet, conversational, and dive into a bunch of different topics and hope that everyone enjoys the conversations that we have. So for this first segment, it's just going to be a quick introduction to myself and Justin and a little bit about our company and to talk about a couple of the topics that we're going to dive into in future sessions. So with further ado, I'd like to introduce the CTO of Clear Process Solutions, Justin Barr.
Thanks, Trevor. Happy to be here. Happy to have these coffee chats with you. I'm looking forward to our future coffee chats and all these different technology segments that we're going to cover and what we talk with our customers about. Looking to share a lot of customer stories and dive into trends that we're seeing on the market. So I'm really excited to have you host this and looking forward to our future conversations.
Awesome. So before we get started, Justin, why don't you tell us a little bit about who Clear Process Solutions is, and then tell us a little bit about yourself as well.
Perfect. Yeah, so Clear Process Solutions is a technology consulting company. We really focus on business process automation, data and analytics, and manufacturing digitization. Manufacturing digitization is definitely one of our newer lines, as we have a lot of manufacturing clients and see a lot of paper on the shop floor, and we want to digitize that. So when you go back to the beginning, CPS was founded in 2013. We have two co-founders of the company, myself and Mark Orzen, and we started the company all around digitizing and getting rid of paper and getting visibility into your business process. And we've kind of expanded from there. And we've got employees in over 8 different states. We've got clients in over 20 states and customers that and use their different gear and travel every day, like Delta Airlines and Cooper Tire and Raytheon Technology. So have a lot of name brand customers, and we're excited to help drive the results and the digital technology in their organization. So from our company perspective, to us, we're vendor and technology agnostic, tool agnostic. We're really looking at the result that you're looking to achieve from your organization. There's no reason for us to solution something that's not going to drive a lot of impact and results throughout your organization. Me personally, I have a background in technology. I love it. Went to high school and got a networking degree as well as a general ed degree in high school. Went to college and got my computer information systems degree. I've worked in large consulting companies, publicly held companies, small businesses, and that are privately owned. So I've worked in almost every space except for the government sector. And I really do have a passion around technology, from my beginning in programming to where today we help customers with digital transformation using low-code application platforms. So really excited to talk tech and talk all these different results that we're seeing and trends we're seeing in the market.
Awesome. Thanks, Justin. And you're based in North Canton outside of Cleveland, correct?
That is correct. North Canton, families from the area. I've always lived in the Ohio area and, have a passion around golf. My great grandfather turned our dairy farm into an executive golf course. And then I grew up working on the golf course, grew up golfing there. So love golfing, love the summertime. It's a great place to live in Northeast Ohio.
Awesome. Well, appreciate the background, Justin. Looking forward to more of our conversation. So I'll give a quick background on myself. My name is Trevor Cohen. I'm an account manager and business development manager here at Clear Process Solutions. I joined the firm about 2 years ago, a little bit more, with some prior experience in the manufacturing sector. Funny enough, Justin didn't mention it, but a lot of our employees and team members come from industry companies and bring that knowledge with them and are able to take that and apply it to other customers. So prior to working in the manufacturing space, I studied business analytics in college. have always had a huge passion around data and technology, but I also love the business side of it. So my real passion and what I'm trying to do with customers is find the balance between business and technology and be able to communicate and find technology that's really impactful to that business. So I've had the pleasure in the last 2 years of working with clients, large and small, different industries, and really had a chance to meet a lot of great people in the process. So it's been a great 2 years. Outside of work, similar to Justin, I like to play golf. In the summertime, any weekend, any chance I can get, I just want to be outside. So we don't get a ton of great months in Cleveland, but when they're nice, I'm taking advantage of it. So with that being said, just sort of wrapping up and preparing for our future sessions, share, Justin, a little bit about some of the trends and high level things that we've seen, even more specifically in the last year and yeah.
Sure. Yeah, I mean, we're seeing a lot of trends, and a lot of our customers are sharing, these stories. So as we're looking at the researchers like Gardner and Forrester, we're looking at the market and, we're talking to our customers, we're seeing a lot of similar things happen in the market. Obviously everyone's familiar with COVID and how that put everyone at home. And when you go from being in the office every day, being able to walk to that desk next door and have somebody sign that piece of paper, for a purchase order approval, that has completely changed and shifted. And the way of how businesses operated and it was okay to do that has definitely changed. So we're seeing everyone move to this digital market, this digital area that we are so passionate around with business process automation. So, we'll cover topics on business process automation and kind of what we've seen with the onset of COVID. We've also heard from a lot of our customers is just the demand for IT resources and how the lack of resources they have to do the work. So we'll talk about things that are like citizen developer programs. The CPS is passionate about training other other non-technical people to enable them to use these tools, these rapid application development or low-code application platform tools to automate, business processes or data and visualize data. So we'll talk about some of the citizen development and low-code platforms out there, and then we'll talk about things that we're seeing, like the IPOs that happened for RPA with UiPath and the IPO that happened for the Cloud Data Warehouse, which is Snowflake, two of CPS partners. Well, these companies aren't going public because it's just a good time. It's because it's a great time to go public, given the amount of automation that we need from a business perspective. It's about doing more with less. Our budgets have been cut, our resources have been cut. So how do we still do the same work without the actual bodies? So we'll talk about those, and then I think things that we'll discuss around data as an asset and data movement, data visualization, data warehousing, all this data that's being collected, just massive amounts of data from people, from systems, from even technology like Internet of Things devices, and how do we collect it? How do we move it? How do we visualize it? We'll have a lot of conversations around data, I'm sure. And then lastly, just manufacturing as we see it and why we create a manufacturing digitization line. We have manufacturing 4.0, industrial 4.0 upon us, and we'll see a lot of data that will be collected on the shop floor and how we can put that into our back office systems. And so lots of fun conversations. I'm really looking forward to these coffee chats with you on Friday, Trevor. I'm looking forward to drinking coffee because I love it. But also just talking tech, which I also have a passion for. So thank you for definitely setting this up and co-hosting it with me, and looking forward to our conversations.
Me as well. Thanks, everyone. Nice to meet all the listeners, and looking forward to the next session.
Yeah, make sure everyone subscribes on YouTube so you get notified when we have these sessions, and also visit our website at clearprocesssolutions.com. Happy Friday, everyone. We'll talk to you later.